Hello lovelies, this is Alexandra Monet and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to go over a simple juice recipe for beginners if you're new to juicing. This juice recipe has 3 fruits and 3 vegetables. Oh my gosh, talk about nutrient dense. So let's hop into it.
These are the fruits and vegetables that I will be using. Okay, in addition to my juicer, this is a Power XL juicer. Okay, it's the old school one, but it works just as good as the new school. The only thing is the cleaning is just a little different. It requires a little more work from you, but don't worry. The power is still the same. So I have some kale here, some nice fresh kale that I will be using. I also have my carrots, and then I have my celery here. And those are the 3 vegetables that I will be using. So kale, carrots, celery. Celery is a must. Make sure you got that celery, okay? Pretty much every juice should have celery. But anyway, we'll talk about that later. Also, for my fruits, I have 3 fruits that I'm using. Of course, we have our citrus or our orange. I have 4 apples in total, but I have a Granny Smith apple and a Gala apple. Okay, so 2 different kinds of apples, 2 different kinds of flavors, and actually 2 different kinds of nutrients, so you know. And then last, but of course never least, we have our wonderful pineapple. Okay, this really packs in that juicy flavor. So our 3 vegetables and 3 fruit juice is going to be so yummy. It's so easy. So let's hop into juicing, okay? All right.
So this is just me cutting up all of my fruits and veggies so we can just vibe out here and enjoy the music, and you can see how I'm going about cutting each of these fruits and vegetables the most quickest and efficient way to get them right in the juicer. Let's do it.
Legion. Rock Legion.
The beat plug. The beat plug.
Rock Legion.
The beat plug. The beat plug.
All right, we have all our fruits and veggies cut up and prepped perfectly for the juicer. Now it's time to go ahead and rinse them off and give them a good wash before we put them in the juicer. So here we are juicing our first set of fruits and vegetables in no particular order, or you can be very strategic if you want. I just throw them in there. But let's just go ahead and juice all this yummy nutrition up, and let's just vibe.
Rock Legion.
The beat plug. The beat plug.
And boom, we have all of our fruits and vegetables made into a nice yummy juice that we can drink on the go. So of course, once you juice, you're going to have to stir it up. Remember that this fresh juice is a heterogeneous mixture, okay? So it is going to try to separate as time goes on, and in fact, when you juice, it is kind of in separate parts. So we mix it up, and this is what it's going to look like. So I go ahead and I pour my juice into a large container. This container probably holds about I think it's like 8 quarts. So it helps out a lot. So this is about 4. I'm probably at about 6 quarts now. So yeah, this is how much juice I got from juicing all of what you saw me do on camera. So you do need a lot of fruits and vegetables to get a decent amount of juice, but the nutrition and benefits are so worth it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour my juice into our cups, and I'm gonna take it to my boo while he's at work. So I hope you all enjoyed this video just as much as we enjoyed drinking it. Make sure you subscribe to stay in the loop to receive more juicing recipes so we can continue to live a happy and healthy lifestyle. Until next time, lovelies. Bye-bye.